Okay, guys. Guess what? Well, when I was recording, when I wasn't recording, right after, I kind of got an elephant. It is so fast. It is ridiculously fast. And just look at my guy in midair. Like, that was just so beast, guys. Anne is the name of the elephant. Just look how fast it... That is like the saddest thing that has ever happened. It is so fast that I hit a rock right after I tamed the thing. So let's go to our zoo. I want to see this elefante. Collect more to expand. Are we in like a new region? New animals sighted. Okay, we got more space. I see. Well, we should probably... We don't even have enough money. Oh boy, we need some money. So can I get some more people in the park? Next cruise is in 4 minutes. Oh no, the elephant has nothing. Actually, these are actually pretty cool. We can ride him? Oh, we can start riding him like we always started riding on the buffalo. Maybe we can start riding on him. Too bad. And I recently figured out that you don't have to actually go off. You can stay on, but he bucks. But he also goes 2 times faster. Oh, okay. Okay, we got this. Look how fast this guy goes. An ostrich. Okay. I like how he's just floating. He's not even on the ostrich. He's just floating. Now that's pretty cool. This guy is so fast. He's so hard to control. Darn it. That was hard. That was super hard. Okay. Let's continue. Oh, we got more money now. I don't recall it earning money in that. I think I got it from the ostrich. But build, and then more money for you. Holy Well, now I need stuff for the ostrich. I feel so bad. Okay. Ooh, we got coins on the ground. Okay. No, on the ground, not the elephant, on the ground. Maybe we should upgrade this. Hold up. It's like $2 per ticket for the buffaloes, and it's $1 for that. I'm assuming, and it's $2 for this. So if it's a small one that in a small cage, I'm assuming it starts with $1 and you have to upgrade it. So that's what I'm assuming because the elephant's so big. Let's just click play again. This is such a fun game, guys. I hope you guys get it. And tell me what animals you guys got, because I know that there were elephants, but I didn't get it, and I accidentally caught, like, the forest buffalo. So just tell me in the comments. Remember to subscribe and like, please. So let's go, Gerard. I can't even remember his name anymore. My zebra's name. It's my own zebra. Let's just get this guy. This guy's another zebra. And you're gonna start going berserk. Let's get on this elephant, considering we've only ridden one. Look how fast this thing goes. Can I hit the other guys? Oh god. I didn't know it kicked me off. Okay, that was actually kind of interesting. There he is. He's still walking and everything. Elephant. Yeah, it says build an ostrich habitat. That's my goal. So I don't have the money. Oh, wait. I don't even know how I get money. I'm not even sure how this happens. I'm just gonna watch my money right now. I have 12 bucks. There's money on the floor though. Got 13 now. Look at all them. The ship also expanded, so we have space for another animal. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, nice music, bro. Oh, elephant right away. Look how fast. Oh, we can. We can hit the other animals. Okay, I see it throws me. With these animals, it doesn't throw me. It just starts bucking. So that's what happened. Oh, I want a peacock. I got you, peacock. Oh my gosh, stupid forest buffalo. We had a peacock. Ooh, next cruise is ready. It's 16, okay. Open zoo plus $100. Okay. Interesting. It's a lot of kids. Okay, upgrade savanna ammo habitats 4 more times. We do need to upgrade the giraffe. And we should probably upgrade the, that's 80. That's 100, so we can upgrade the ostrich one. Now I feel bad for the elephant. Silly music. Let's see. Let's get ourselves thrown out of a cannonball. Boom. Okay. Let's go, zebra. Catch an ostrich, because they're so fast. That is insane. I can't even do this anymore. We were the pro rider, and now we can't even ride the ostrich. Okay, I'm gonna get that ostrich, and we're not gonna run into anything. Oh, that took some major skill.
Alright, fellas. After 10.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so I took a break today. I just paused it, and I was just riding around because it wasn't anything new, and I found a celebrity. It's a peacock, and so just look how fast this goes. It's so hard to control. Oh no, that was a peacock with a guitar, or an ostrich with a guitar. That was cool. Okay, let's just go to our zoo. We need to build that habitat for that peacock. So, oh wait, no, it's part of the peacock family. No. Let's go back to the ostrich here. And Miss Ani, celebrity. Get it, birdie, celebrity. So punny. A snippy, snooty, fancy, prancy, blue-blooded bird. It simply must hog all the attention. So it's an ostrich. I thought it was a peacock. And let's take off with our elephant. We can just hit these guys. The one thing I don't like about the elephant is it throws you off. Okay, that was ridiculous. That's where we're going to end it today, guys. I really enjoyed it. You should guys get this game. Remember to like and subscribe. So,